How moment causes your motorcycle to lift. Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed when you put your motorcycle or bicycle on the stand and spin the wheel, once it lifts up? And or why does the back motorcycle lift when braking hard? This are related to the concept of moment. But why is understanding moments so important? Imagine you designed a bridge and a massive crane, or even a racing motorcycle. Understanding moment correctly can be the difference between the safe design and catastrophic failure. In our previous video, we explained that what the moment is, but now we will solve the practical and extremely important example. We'll explore the concept and give you an exciting engineering challenge. Stay with us, dear ones. On this channel, we explained our concept with a real life example. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Solving the first example. A problem. A force of 2000 Newton is applied to the motorcycle handlebar with the front braking gauge. What is the moment of the force relative to the front wheel center? A. Let's remember the formula. M equal F times D. The magnitude of the F is 2000 newtons and the D in this example is 1 meter. M in A equal 2000 times 1 meter equals 2000 Newton meter. Let's wait. Here's an important question. Is the moment clockwise or counterclockwise? Which one? How do we determine that? Draw an imaginary string from point A, front wheel center, to the forces line of actions. The next step is if we pull the string in the first direction, the rotation is clockwise. As you see in this picture, the D is here, okay, and the line of force, the next rotation is here, and the result is clockwise. Okay, and the final answer is 2000 Nm or Newton meter. And step beyond. Solving the second example. More challenging. What if the 2000 Newton force is applied at the 30 degree angle? How to solve it? In this case, we must use the vertical component of force. We will cover this calculation in our videos. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Now it is your turn. If the force doubles and the distance is 1.2 meter, what is the moment magnitude? And clockwise or counterclockwise? And drop your answer in the comments. we will pin the best and most detailed answer under the video. We're waiting for your response. Don't forget to like this video. All right, engineer. In this video, we explored why motorcycle rear lift during hard braking, and it all comes down to the concept of moment. We learned that the moment equals force times distance, and how to determine whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise. And we also saw the real-world example and saw how changing the force or angle affect moment calculation. But this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll dive into the more advanced calculations, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Now it is your turn. Drop your answer to final challenge in the comments, and let's see who gets it right. The best answer will be pinned in the video, and don't forget that it is important how to reach the destination. Until the next video, dear ones.